Hi guys, it's me Zach. So we're going outside. Me and a bunch of my friends decided to go outside. Cause why not?
Bro, what is this, bro? What is this nonsense? Yung audio sira. Yung audio.
It's just for fun, honestly. Matagal na rin namin ito napaplanuhan, so tinuloy na namin. Kasi, sayang. Meron ding iba na dapat ay pupunta. Kaso for some reasons, di sila nakapunta. So yun lang naman, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng vlog na to. Tapos na Shane.
Ay, tapos na ba? Wait lang.
Just turn the camera off.
Wait lang, pre. Wait lang.
Just turn the camera off!
Ay! Okay, wait. Bro.
Ayun, nandito na nga ako. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dito ng isa. I'm either with my parents or with my sister. So, yeah. I'm cooked.
Well, I was on my way papunta sa destination namin. Nag-viewing muna ako. Bro, what the heck?
Bro, imagine ko nahulog yung cellphone ko. Okay. Sana wag. Ngayon nandiyan na ako. Dito na. Sa secret. Ba't ko sabihin? Hey, yo! Dapat na rin lahat. Wala. Ayun sa may palikod mo. Ito. Ito ko yun.
Pagkababa ay syempre dumiretso na ako sa jeep. Abay, feel ko paunahan eh. Kahit they're not there yet.
Dito na ako sa SM. Let's go.
Although may problema, ang oras na punta namin ay 11:30. So kahit mga 30 minutes, okay lang ako maghintay, okay? Pero
So guys, nandito na nga po ako sa SM. So hanggang ngayon wala pa rin sila. It's currently 12 o 7. Ang oras dapat namin dito is 11:30 pero nagito.
yes, it is 11:30. You know what's crazy, dog? Huh? You know what's crazy? I slept there. Okay, I'm shaking. I'm sorry, bro.
It's currently 12:40 na, boss. 12:40 na. Wala pa rin sila. Bro, nandito lang ako sa Christmas tree. Nakatambay. Kasi wala nang masyadong mag-content. Puro may tao na eh. Mahirap. Nahiya ka di kasi pag ano. Nakakaya din pag may tao nasa likod mo. Tapos magre-record ka.
Yeah. Social anxiety go, bro. Bro, look at this. I was having a moment there, dog. Man. Also, I noticed this. Mukha akong pupunta ng gym. Bro, look like Mario over here.
Look who decided to show up.
Na tayo ng pagkahiyain.
Nang ano?
Mahihayin ako. Kakakain ko lang ng pansit canton na 2 packs.
So after meeting up with my friends, we're now gonna go to the photo booth where we're gonna take pictures together. Yay! But before that, kumain muna kami. Cause it's almost freaking 1 p.m. Not gonna lie, I was gobbling that food. No pun intended. Dahil sa Jollibee, bidaan. After that, we blasted ourselves to the photo.
Yo, no. Turn that phone off. That is not what I meant.
Oh shit.
Ang sosyalin yung tignan.
250 guys.
What? We waited for 30 minutes kasi well, ang daming tao. And ang pinaka-wild dito ay meron silang elevator station team? Like what? Yo, that's crazy. And also, for some reason, pumunta kami sa isang bookstore where I bought books. Not gonna lie, bro. What did you expect? It's a goddamn bookstore. Well, I guess that was fun.
Oy! Tom's World! Tom's World! Tom's World!
You'll be crazy, bro.
Ala ito!
Nabababa.
May 7-Eleven.
Now, for the main dish, it's the arcade. Let's go! Playing in an arcade seems to feel like therapeutic to me. Kahit yung unang namin nilaro is barilan, it's got a charm, you know? So my other friends playing another game, so we decided to find another one. Because, it's an arcade. This second game is a music sync game. There are 2 mods when you play this. Progressive mode, where it just gets faster and faster the longer you play, and the fixed difficulty mode, where it just stays at normal speed. Of course, I picked the progressive one, and absolutely got this man locked the I mean, look at his eye.
Kaya mo yan! Lucky siya, boss! Yo! He's locking, guys! Broski!
And after we collected our tickets, we go home na. This was such a fun experience, even though na ang ginawa lang namin mostly is taglakad, nagkwentuhan. All I can say is, this is one of my memories going down in the internet for me to not forget it. Somehow, kasi makakalimutan ako. At ayun na nga, tapos na nga ang vlog for today. Gabi na ng Sunday ngayon at gusto ko nang matulog. Kasi may pasok bukas. Peace!